Cal State Fullerton's population continues to grow each year, and this fall semester has been extremely impacted. This fall alone, there are over 38,000 students enrolled, which is one of the biggest populations Cal State Fullerton has ever seen. The overpopulation can bring many problems, like not being able to find or get into the classes you need, and the biggest headache of all, finding parking.
It was too expensive, and the likelihood of me finding a parking space was very low due to the fact that there were so many people trying to find a parking spot and there was not enough parking spaces. So I had to come like 2 to 3 hours before my class in order for me to get a parking.
All the parking lots and structures will usually fill up by 9 a.m. here at Cal State Fullerton, and will even stay full until the late afternoon. The campus has 4 parking lots, A, G, S, and one on Arts Drive, and also has 3 major parking structures, the Nutwood, State College, and Eastside parking structures. Each structure holds around 2,500 vehicles, but students say that isn't enough.
CSUF is horrible. There needs to be a change on the parking structure system or build more parking structures. And also, I do not really like parking here. It's really difficult to find parking. I usually park somewhere else, either at the street or somewhere, and I usually take the bus.
Cal State Fullerton most recently added their Eastside parking structure in 2010, which was about a $24 million project. The Parking and Transportation Group at Fullerton recommends students locate parking in the north end of the campus on lots A and G, even though it might be around a 10-minute walk for students. As of now, there is no word on whether more parking structures will be built in the near future.